This is a Kendall Homes plan, Montgomery. I haven't been in this house before, but look at this yard. It's awesome. One thing I noticed is, look at this garage. 3 cars, and then there's something back there. Let's go inside and take a look. This entrance is fantastic. It's got beautiful planter. Nice transom over the door. All right. This is like a dining area. Beautiful doors. And here's the pass through to the kitchen. And the appliances here are fantastic. They're GE profile. This is some kind of a smart appliance. Nice island. Here's the pantry. And then this is, the entryway. Look at this. Floor plug. There's your coat closet. Bedroom 1. Bedroom 2. Bathroom has 2 sinks. And the toilet tub shower combinations here. And hey, there's a window. I like that. Here's bedroom 3. It's beautiful. There's a linen closet. Wow, I haven't seen this in a long time. You can actually put wood. This is the master. Bedroom 4. Look at that backyard. Covered patio area. It's awesome. And the yard goes way back there. Look at this. Ah, they were smart, so you can hang a TV on the wall. Very, very nice. And I like the seat, which is really good. Toilet has a door. Very nice. Here's the closet. And it's big. You can go outside through here, the master, and it looks like the utility room. So this is a garage. There's a little drop zone there. You can put a little hall tree or something there. Here's a powder bath. Utility room. And an exit. Okay, so this is a 3-car garage. One. Is that 4? Maybe they call that an exit door? I don't know. Interesting. But I noticed this in the front, there's like an extra area here. Look at the size of this. So this is huge. Okay. And this one is at 3012 Cherry Bark Drive. Wow, 2,400 and change square feet. And look at the size of the lot. 111 wide by 300 feet deep. That's big. So there you have it. Kendall Homes, Montgomery. If you have any questions about it, let me know.